We are in Wakayama, and in Wakayama you need to eat ramen. So we are here at this very old ramen shop. Apparently it's one of the best here. It's called ieatishootipost. So we're going to find out what Wakayama Ramen is all about. It's a very tiny little place. So this is Wakayama Ramen. It is usually eaten with either an egg, or you can have this thing called a nare sushi, which is fermented sushi, fermented fish sushi. Right, so I've never had this fermented sushi before. Smells a bit fishy. Not bad. Not something that I order again, but it's a good experience. And now, the ramen. I haven't tasted it yet, so you're gonna get my first reaction. Okay, here we go. It's good. Wakayama Ramen, thumbs up. It's good. Tonight we are going to try the local Wagyu. It's called Kumano Wagyu, and we are in this place called Katsuura, because tomorrow morning we want to go and visit the tuna auction. So tonight we're having this Wagyu beef. So let's go find out. Wagyu. Okay, here we go. Where are we? Where did we go? So we get to pick which part of the cow you want to eat. You can have all the different parts. I think we'll take it all. This, my friends, is Kumano Gyu from the Wakayama Prefecture, and we're gonna find out what it's gonna taste like. All right. This is some of the best Yakiniku I've had in Japan, and we are in Wakayama Prefecture. We are here because tomorrow morning we're going for the tuna auction, and we are very near the sea. So if you're coming to Wakayama and you're gonna come and see the tuna auction, I recommend you to come to this Yakiniku place called Kazu. Oh, umai, umai. Ohayo gozaimashita. We are here in Nachi Katsuura port, and we are here to watch the tuna auction. But unfortunately, no fish today, even though it's a Monday. It's closed on Sunday, and there's supposed to be fish today, but the boats didn't come in. So I can't show you the tuna auction. But if you're here, you know, make sure you stay for a few days so that you'll be able to catch it. It's supposed to be the biggest tuna haul in the whole of Japan, right here. And it's fresh tuna and not frozen tuna, so quite different from the scenes you see over at Tsukiji Market. We are a little bit disappointed there's no tuna auction today, but we managed to find some fishermen. They are hauling in some lobsters. It's a beautiful day at the port. We are in Wakayama Prefecture, and we are here in Nachi-san to visit Japan's tallest waterfall at 133 meters. It's called Nachi Falls. So this is the start of our walk to the waterfall. It's a World Heritage Site. This place is called Daimonzaka. Wow, it's a lovely walk with lots of tea houses at the side, on your left, on your right. It's a very nice walk. Beautiful gardens. Wow. This lady is the kimono master, and she served many many famous people like the emperor, the prime minister, all come here to do the pilgrimage route. We're here at the Kumano Nachi Taisha, which is what we came to see. Oh man, remember what Kung Fu Panda says? My greatest enemy? Stairs! So here we are. This is the tallest waterfall in Japan. I know it doesn't look like much, right? You gotta go nearer. There you go. That's better. We're almost there at the waterfalls. There you go. There's a waterfall. We're up in the pagoda, and this is the famous Nachi Falls. So we've done our trek to Nachi Waterfall, and we are back at Nachi Katsuura town. And this is the tuna town. This is where you get all the freshest tuna. So we're gonna have ourselves some really fresh tuna. So this is for all you tuna lovers out there. This is the most amazing Maguro meal that you can have. You see how many different kinds of Maguro. We've got sashimi, and then we've got deep fried karage, then we've got more sashimi. This is smoked bacon, and here we have a little teppanyaki which you can do yourself. This is this is not hon Maguro, this is Bincho Maguro. And then you can cook your own Maguro. And then they have the Kama Maguro that's been deep fried. And then you've got Mabachi Maguro that has been braised. So we're gonna have a huge Maguro feast. We are here at the Binchotan Museum because Wakayama is famous for his Binchotan. Uedabe town is famous for Binchotan. If you enjoy yakitori and all this Japanese grilled food, right, you must know what is Binchotan because Binchotan is so important to make food tasty. Binchotan is made from oak, and the best Binchotan is made from this Ubame Gashi oak. And when you have a good Binchotan, it burns very cleanly and burns with very high heat. It steals all the flavor of the meat inside and gives you a nice crispy crust, which is why Binchotan is so important. So we compare with this is just normal charcoal. But it's bad quality charcoal. Oops. You can't even. You see how friable it is. It doesn't even make a nice sound. So, okay.
We're here at this Ume-boshi factory, and we're going to see how they actually make Ume-boshi. Come, let's go. Around June, this is where they start to pluck the ume, all right? And then the next thing, within 2 weeks to a month, what they do is that they will just soak it in salt, and after that, then they will let it dry to be some time, then of course they process it and then they marinate it, and this is the end product, and that's just the packing that you see at the end. I've already flavored my own syrup or whatever you marinate, if you will. So I'm just going to put this in here. To close it up, and in 2 weeks' time, I'll have my own Ume-boshi. And I've already put in 2 nice plums, and I'm going to put in the sugar level. And this is the sugar plum. Don't you think it looks so pretty? So I just put it in here. Okay, just 2 scoops of it. Okay. That you can choose whether you're going to put brandy, sake, or some sort of liqueur. So I'm going to choose sake because I love sake, all right? So it's really easy. I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to pour in to my own concoction of umeshu. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh. 3 bottles of umeshu, and they've already dated it to when I can drink it. So I'm going to have to let this marinate and sit for 1 month. So this one is my brandy, and I've got my sake, and finally I've got my shoju. Can't wait, 1 month later.
We are just about to have dinner. This is going to be very interesting because the chicken is fed with plum. You have to look at this. Yes, this is the Binchotan. See the heat, very gentle, no smoke, and very hot.